Hi friends, good morning. In last lecture, we have discussed classification of ligand. In classification of ligand, we have discussed unidentate ligand, didentate ligand, tridentate ligand. Now, we are going to discuss hexadentate ligand. Hexadentate ligand means what? Metal ion will get 6 electron pair from negative ion or neutral molecule and form 6 coordinate covalent bond. That ligand is known as hexadident ligand. Means what? Hexadident ligand will donate 6 electron pair to metal ion, and hexadident ligand may be neutral molecule or negative ion. So we are having one example which is not explained in your textbook. So I am giving that example and explaining how it form 6 coordinate covalent bond. So we are having the example of hexadident ligand. Hexadident ligand. Example is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. It is known as EDTA. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate is the example of hexadident ligand. So how can we make the formula of EDTA? So ethylene means what? CH2, CH2. This is ethylene. Diamine means what? N and N. This is diamine. And tetraacetate means CH2, C double bond O and O minus. CH2, C double bond O and O minus. Same way, CH2, C double bond O, O minus. CH2, C double bond O and O minus. So how can 6 electron pair can be donated? Then nitrogen will donate 2 electron pair from 2 different nitrogen, and 4 oxygen can donate 4 electron pair. Total 1 molecule EDTA is total 1 molecule, and from 1 molecule there are 6 atoms that can donate 6 electron pair. So it is hexadident ligand because neutral molecule ethylene diamine tetraacetate can donate 6 electron pair to metal ion and form 6 coordinate covalent bond. So it is hexadident ligand. Now what is the structure of coordinate compound related to hexadident ligand, which is also not drawn in your textbook, that I am drawing. Again repeating, ethylene diamine 1 acetate, 2 acetate, 3 acetate, 4 acetate, tetraacetate, nitrogen having 3 valency, 1 valency, 2 valency, 3 valency. This nitrogen having 3 valency, 1 valency, 2 valency, 3 valency, and this is ethylene. ethylene diamine 1, 2, 3, 4 tetraacetate. Now we are having the structure of coordinate compound that can form bond, 6 bond with metal ion. Let's see. The formula will be metal ion EDTA, and here is plus or minus N. Metal ion, which one we don't know. EDTA is neutral molecule, so charge of EDTA will be 0. Metal ion may be decide that is it charge plus or minus. So how can we draw this complex compound or this coordinate compound structure? Kindly see, I will attach EDTA with metal and will form 6 coordinate covalent bond. Let's see. So you just draw first square. You draw first square. Here will be 2n, 1n, 2n. Here will be 2O. In center there will be metal ion. Total 4O in EDTA. So 1O, 2O, 3O and 4O. 2N in EDTA. So 1N and 2N. You can now count, there are 6 coordinate covalent bonds. Sign of coordinate covalent bond is arrow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygen is present in EDTA and 2 nitrogen is present in EDTA. I am drawing structure over here. CH2, CH2, here is N, here is N, here is CH2, C double bond O and O minus. Here is, sorry, I have to draw over here. You have already understood the formula, so I am not writing over here because I have to draw structure more. Now what will happen? Then we are having CH2 and CH2. Ready? Now CH2, C double bond O and O. CH2, C double bond, sorry, C double bond O and O will attach. Same way, here will be drawn CH2, C double bond O and attaching with O. Here CH2, C double bond O and attaching with O. This is the 6 coordinate covalent bond attaching with a metal, and you can check the formula that how many nitrogen, how many CH2, how many O and how many N present in EDTA. I am checking over here. CH2, CH2, N, CH2, C double bond O and O minus. CH2, C double bond O and O minus. Same way, CH2, C double bond O and O minus. CH2, C double bond O and O minus. So ethylene diamine 1, 2, 3, 4 tetraacetate. This structure is now attached with metal ion. So total 6 coordinate bond will form by 4 oxygen and 2 nitrogen. So 2 nitrogen, 1 and 2 nitrogen forming coordinate covalent bond. 4 oxygen is forming coordinate covalent bond. 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 3 oxygen and 4 oxygen. How many CH2 present in this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? How many nitrogen present in this compound? 2 nitrogen, 1, 2. Here are 2 nitrogen. How many CO present in this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is totally clear, and you have to draw this structure 2 times, 3 times, and you can get confidence that what is EDTA and how it can form the coordinate covalent bond with metal ion. It is hexadidant ligand. It means 6 coordinate covalent bond will be formed by only one molecule, and that molecule is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Now we are going to discuss about chelate coordinate compound. What is chelate coordinate compound? Let's see. Chelate coordinate compound. Polydidant ligand except unididant ligand. Except unididant ligand, all ligand means dididant ligand, trididant ligand, hexadidant ligand can form coordinate covalent bond and make a cyclic structure.